Remember the last time you spent hours hunting down a donor's giving history? Or when your team missed following up with a major supporter because the reminder was buried in someone's inbox? There's a better way to manage your nonprofit's relationships and resources, one that lets you focus on impact rather than administration. While your team is busy changing the world, valuable time disappears into administrative black holes. Valuable relationships slip through the cracks, not because you want them to, but because outdated systems and manual processes keep your nonprofit trapped in patterns that no longer serve your mission. The good news? Technology has evolved to meet these specific challenges. Consider how much time your team spends on manual tasks. Now, imagine a system where every donor interaction, every email open, event attendance, and donation appears in a single clear timeline, where supporters are automatically segmented based on their giving history and interests, where multi-channel campaigns can be created, tracked, and optimized from a single dashboard. This isn't future technology. It's available right now through platforms like HubSpot, designed specifically to address nonprofit challenges. Automated workflows handle routine communications while ensuring every message feels personal and timely. No more missed follow-ups or generic thank you notes. Today's supporters expect more than an annual thank you letter. They want to see their impact, understand their role in your mission, and feel genuinely connected to your cause. Modern donor management tools make this possible through sophisticated yet simple to use features. Imagine sending emails that automatically adjust their content based on each donor's interests and giving history. Picture creating impact reports that clearly show how donations translate into real-world change. Think about identifying your most engaged supporters and nurturing those relationships with targeted communications, all without spending hours manipulating spreadsheets. Modern nonprofit management isn't just about better donor tracking. It's about creating a seamless ecosystem where all your tools work together. Payment processing, email marketing, social media, event management, and reporting should function as one integrated system, not separate islands of information. When your systems talk to each other, magic happens. Donation data automatically triggers thank you sequences. Event registrations create supporter profiles. Social media engagement informs communication strategies. Everything works together to build stronger donor relationships and drive greater impact. The path to modern nonprofit management starts with centralizing your data, bringing existing donor records into one system, creating custom fields for tracking specific metrics, and setting up automated data cleaning processes lays the foundation for transformation. Next comes automation of key processes. Welcome sequences for new donors, thank you messages, impact updates, and renewal reminders can all be automated while maintaining a personal touch. This frees your team to focus on strategic relationships and creative campaigns. Understanding your donors shouldn't require a degree in data science. Platforms like HubSpot provide clear insights into donor retention rates, campaign effectiveness, and giving patterns. Generate board reports with a few clicks instead of hours of spreadsheet work. Use predictive analytics to identify future giving potential and optimize your fundraising strategies. While automation handles routine tasks, your team can focus on what matters most: building personal relationships with major donors, creating compelling campaign content, developing strategic partnerships, and measuring program impact. Technology should enhance human connection, not replace it. Organizations that embrace CRMs like HubSpot typically see significant improvements in donor retention, average gift sizes, and campaign effectiveness. More importantly, they report better team collaboration and improved supporter satisfaction. Their staff spend less time on administrative tasks and more time advancing their mission. The future of nonprofit management combines the best of human connection with powerful digital tools. While platforms like HubSpot provide the foundation, your mission and creativity bring it to life. The key is finding the right balance between automation and personalization, between efficiency and authenticity. Begin by auditing your current processes. Identify what's working and what's causing frustration. Map out your ideal donor journeys. Plan a phased implementation that doesn't overwhelm your team. Most importantly, Ensure everyone understands how these changes will help advance your mission. Remember, your nonprofit's mission is too important to be held back by outdated processes. The world needs your impact, not your admin skills. Are you ready to transform? Start by identifying one process that causes the most frustration within your organization. Whether it's donor communication, campaign tracking, or reporting, there's likely a better way to handle it with tools like HubSpot. The journey to better nonprofit management starts with that first step towards change. The future of your nonprofit isn't in endless spreadsheets and manual processes. It's in smart, integrated systems that free your team to focus on what truly matters, making a difference in the world. And with tools like HubSpot designed specifically for nonprofits, that future is within reach.